Ukraine has seized the battlefield initiative from Russia with its surprise cross-border offensive into the Kursk region. After a week of intense fighting, Russian forces are scrambling to respond to the onslaught, and Ukraine's top military commander reported that his troops now control 1,000 square kilometers, that's 386 square miles of territory. While Kyiv's objectives remain unclear, some analysts suggest that this incursion may be intended to bolster Ukraine's position in future peace negotiations and also provide relief to embattled Ukrainian troops by diverting enemy forces away from the front line. It's a significant setback for Russian President Vladimir Putin and has exposed Russian vulnerabilities. This is not a sneak air attack, but a full-on land incursion inside Russia involving mechanized brigades. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes what are the 3 American weapons spearheading Ukraine's Kursk offensive. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big 4 auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The U.S. is thought to have provided Ukraine with around 189 Stryker vehicles, and the country is putting them to good use. The Stryker armored personnel carrier accommodates a 2-person crew consisting of a commander and driver and can transport a fully equipped squad of 9 troops. This advanced armored personnel carrier utilizes cutting-edge information technologies, featuring a battlefield information management system that seamlessly connects with other vehicles and command posts. It's fast-moving with a top speed of 60 miles per hour, that's 97 kilometers per hour, and equipped with 4-wheel drive, 8x4, that can be switched to an all-wheel drive, 8x8 configuration. Offering all-round protection against 7.62mm NATO ball rounds, the Stryker can be further enhanced with ceramic add-on armor to provide comprehensive defense against 14.5mm armor-piercing rounds. The vehicle's interior is lined to safeguard the crew and passengers from spalling. To fortify its undercarriage against mine blasts, the Stryker has undergone strengthening measures, contributing to its claimed superiority over other APCs in terms of survivability against mines and improvised explosive devices. Stryker is equipped with automatic fire suppression and NBC protection systems. In terms of firepower, the Stryker can be armed with several kinds of weapons, like M2 12.7mm heavy machine gun, Mark 19 40mm automatic grenade launcher, 30mm Mark 44 Bushmaster 2 gun, and even 105mm M68A2 gun. The Stryker is playing a key role in putting Ukraine's special forces inside Kursk. Around 200 Bradley infantry fighting vehicles have been provided to Ukraine. Bradley weighs about 36 tons, which makes it weigh around half of an Abrams main battle tank. Like a tank, the Bradley is tracked rather than wheeled, and it has an operational range of around 300 miles or 480 kilometers. Powered by Cummins VTA 903T 8-cylinder diesel, 600 horsepower or 450 kilowatt engine, it can travel at just over 40 miles per hour or 65 kilometers per hour. The Bradley is highly capable in cross-country open terrain by one of the main design objectives of keeping pace with the M1 Abrams main battle tank. As a defense against various munitions, such as certain armor-piercing rounds and rocket-propelled grenades, the Bradley is protected by explosive reactive aluminum armor and steel skirts. It's also equipped with two 4-barrel smoke grenade launchers on the front of the turret for creating defensive smoke screens, which can also be loaded with chaff and flares. The Bradley is armed with a 25mm M242 Bushmaster chain gun and a 7.62mm M240C machine gun. It can also carry multiple TOW anti-tank missiles. The Bushmaster is a single-barrel chain gun with an integrated dual-feed mechanism and remote feed selection. In June, a Bradley managed to blind Russian frontline T-90M MBT in a head-on fight in the Avdiivka region with this cannon, which made it lose control and crash. The M240C medium machine gun is mounted coaxially to the M242 with 2,200 rounds of 7.62 by 51mm ammunition. For engaging heavier targets, such as acting in anti-tank fashion, the Bradley carries a TOW missile system. TOW is short for tube-launched, optically tracked, wireless guided. Depending on the variant, TOW has an operational range of 3,750 meters and can penetrate 430 to 900 mm RHA, or rolled homogeneous armor. Retired Lieutenant General Mark Hertling, also a former commanding general of U.S. Army Europe, had tweeted, "The Brad is not a tank, but it can be a tank killer." Since the U.S. provided the first HIMARS to Ukraine, its impact has been undeniable. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, is a light multiple rocket launcher developed in the late 1990s for the United States Army, mounted on a standard Army M1140 truck frame. It's believed that around 40 of these have been provided to Ukraine. HIMARS can cover a distance of 300 miles or 480 kilometers on a single refueling and can travel with a maximum speed of 85 kilometers per hour or 52 miles per hour. It can be reloaded in about a minute with only a small crew. The use of a wheeled chassis, rapid deployment, and dismantling of the complex digital fire control allows HIMARS to use hit-and-run tactic. It has one universal pod that can accommodate 6 unguided or guided rockets of 227mm caliber or 1 MGM-140 Army TACMs with a diameter of 610mm. HIMARS can fire a wide range of rockets and missiles. The standard unguided rockets have a maximum range of 28 miles or 45 kilometers. With the extended range guided rocket GMLRS or guided MLRS, the system can reach a land target at a maximum range of 46 miles or 75 kilometers. Depending on the variant, Army TACMs has a maximum range of 300 kilometers or 185 miles. HIMARS has been used to blow up Russian ammunition depots, command and control centers, bridges, and even air defenses. This has meant that Russian forces are unable to bring the reinforcement in the required quantity.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.